All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We here to trade. What's up, Signature? Yes, sir. Ah, what you got up today, Signature? I'm you looking at GM? Is GM up on earnings? That's what I'm assuming. Auto tariffs ease, GM earnings, and what to watch. Declares quarterly dividend. Recalling 600,000 SUVs because of engine issues. Yeah, I see why they might want to offer a dividend. Whoa, Wolf is getting destroyed. Yeah, I mean, 1, 2, 3 days green. What up, Trey? LFMD's pulling back quite a bit too. Yo. Ah, it really just all comes down to patience, man. Just being able to wait for the good trade.
PLTR. OMH.
PLTR right there at yesterday's high. I liked PLTR, but it just didn't gap up. It wasn't over my 2% threshold gap up. So, but
BBNI.
it's moved up quite a bit. And yesterday it had a really nice pullback and closed.
SOFI.
Looked like at the high of day. Yeah, that joint is going straight up. Hey, what's up, Wave Rider?
CMCSA. WLDS.
I don't think I need this scanner right now. Whoa, Kizzy Bob. No waves yet. You not messing with a PLTR Wave Rider? Yo, Leon, what's good? The crew sliding in. Not much, man. Got a few things on watch. LFMD. Wolf looked like it just halted down. LFMD looked like it's right behind it. What that pre-market talking about, Kizzy? Yeah, I might have to let Wolf go. Put that PLTR on here. Yeah, I don't want no parts of G. Fast up, fast down. Man, SoFi is the one right now. What's going on over here? Man, I feel that, Kizzy. I took a few days off. It might have been like a week off. Might have to jump on this SoFi, man. I didn't even flip chat. Hmm. What does that mean? I feel good, man. I just kind of had the break was kind of external situations, I guess I would say. Like it wasn't because I felt like I wasn't making progress. So, and it took me a couple days to realize that. But yeah, I really feel like I felt like this the whole journey though, that I was like this close. But as time goes, you recalibrate what the distance to success really looks like. You start to get a better feel for what it actually means to find success, which really is just being able to do the same things consistently. you know like some days I only want to take my setup, and then other days I'm taking all kind of trades, and it's just the ability to trade the same every day. But I don't know, man. And then it's like, even on that front, it's like, okay, that's all I have to do is that. Like, I feel like my strategy, I have confidence in the strategy and all of that, but okay, all I have to do now is get myself to trade it every day. And it's like, damn, bro, that that's the final boss. And I don't know, man. Sometimes I'm just like, I don't know if can I conquer it. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Yo, what up, OG? Sitting here 9 minutes and 40 seconds in and having not taken a trade is proof that I can conquer this. Proof that I can make adjustments. It may take a long time to make them, but this moment just right here is proof that I've moved the needle a little bit, you know. What's up, Pond? Yo, I really want to get in SoFi right here, right at the break of that. I really do, but I'm trying to stop playing with the one. I could, yeah, yeah. Bruh, I want to take SoFi, man. I'm gonna wait though. I'm gonna wait. High 48, 49. So 1450 is kind of the line in the sand right now. Hymns. Yeah, I'm sitting on my hands too, OG. One thing that kind of came clear, and my guy Alex, man, he told me this so much longer, a really long time ago, that the way you stay out of the backside and stay out of downtrends is that when you're looking for your higher high, higher low, the higher high needs to be high of day. That's like if you do that, you guarantee, pretty much to be in an uptrend. But the problem is that I know there are also other opportunities, other places to get into a trade. So it's hard to like stay 10 toes on that. But I think I'm coming around. Spy's looking nice. Did you take that long, Leon? On the NQs? SoFi, man. The FOMO. Might take it right here over this candle though. No, I ain't taking a high daybreak though. What say? Yeah, this is just a consolidation, hammer and consolidation. Yeah. Let's be picky. Wolf's looking interesting, I must say. Uh, it's not very exciting. $48. Hmm. Ah, man, I kind of want to take that, man. I feel like I'm being scary. What's my reasons not to take it? You got a lower high right there. That's enough. That's enough. Oh man, I want to take it. Yeah, buying into higher day. Yeah, you're right, Trey. You're right. Yeah. But like it ain't even flipped on the MACD. Like it's literally flipping right now. Getting ready to cross over. Just crossed over. I want to take that, bro. If I could use this candle as my entry candle, the only issue is just consolidation. And I know. I appreciate it, Trey. I appreciate it. All right, what about Wolf over here? This is pretty nice. This is nasty, though. That's a huge reason not to do that. All right, there's nothing. Look at LFMD, though, getting some legs. Okay, okay. Yeah. All right, there's no trade. There's no trade to take. All right. I know, man. That's my guy for sure, man. Trey be on my head, man. But we got the higher high now. Got slapped, though. Got slapped. Man, I want it, man. Now it looks really. I'm gonna just wait, bro. Whatever. Why didn't I like WLDS? I looked at it several times. Yeah, the daily is horrendous on that. Amazon short KO buy. Ooh, I like that daily on KO. That's nice, especially like for tomorrow. Hmm. PayPal. Oh man, what happened with PLTR? Okay. I knew fast up, fast down seems to be trying to make a recovery. LFMD, man. I don't know. SoFi in the sim. Got that 1430. Last week I was green 1R. And I only traded 2 days last week. So that's pretty good. I like this volume right here, man. What up, Jack? Hey man, I think LFMD is ready. Ready. But I mean, not for me to take, but I think it's getting ready to start making its move up. How's your trading been, Signature? Yo, Brian. What's up, man? Adding until 14. I'm glad I ain't jump in there, man, when I was thinking about it. I would have took this higher day break and been sick. Yeah, man. Good to see you too, man. Yo. I think I'm about to take this on the 5, yo. Just a little more zoom. High. About a 35-cent stop. Shoot. Mm, such a big red candle, man. Added to 14 too. Now I really want SoFi. This is it right here. Just want the 5 to give me something pretty, man. Like if this candle can stay narrow, this still got 3 minutes though. Yeah, actually, if that thing could dip down and tap that EMA, that would be much better. I would feel very confident in taking that. Um, well, it's PLTR talking about not much. It's kind of nice actually. Below yesterday's high though, and at the top of the range. Nah, let's go ahead and leave that one alone. SoFi looking mad sketch. Ooh-wee. Average is 14, 16. You're gonna have me beat. I'm going in, I'm going in over the high. Feeling like Santa. Averaging down. Yeah. Come on, man. Close up higher than that. Womp womp. Uh, Dang, new low of day. I didn't expect that. Right at the lows. 29, 29, 30, 29. Yeah, it's looking mad sketchy now, but I do like that volume and that big buy up, but it's falling right back down. Man. Oh, you picked some up? Well, I mean, the idea is to break out of the range. That's the only reason I'm interested in taking it is to break back above this range and you know, start looking towards high of day, pre-market high, etc. Yeah, it's pretty dry today, man. Got jolts and consumer confidence numbers coming out at 10. Oh yeah. Good looking out, Jack. I forgot about that. Guess we'll see which way this spy go. Is volume increasing though? That's the question. OMH. I don't think I like that daily if I remember correctly. Yeah, dailies. Crap. Me too, Leon. Mm, that's true. I missed my entry. This was it right here. This would have been cool. Yeah, it's gone, man. It's over. Man. Yeah, the daily looks horrid to me. Oh, snap. Don't even try it.
Order filled.
Yeah. Man, this would have been such a nice entry. I don't even want it no more. Nah, that makes sense, Trey. I feel you. I'm just looking for the bigger move. And I saw what I needed to see on the 5 to feel good about taking it. It still feels sketchy because it's still inside the range and it's at lows on after a huge red candle. But I like it. Now I really like it. Did you get it, Leon? Yeah, we'll see, Leon. Yeah, OMH was nice, man. Ah, this was cool. Assuming that I was willing to ignore the daily, which I just really wasn't. But yeah, definitely way more volume. This day right here did what? 6 million shares. It's at 24 today. High is 335. Yeah. That's nice on the 15 too.
Order filled.
Man, I was watching hymns over here. Had a real nice narrow range. 5 joint off the bottom here, but no entry pattern or anything. Bad news and market going up. Was it? Tell me about it, Brian. Today? Man, OMH, y'all. Dang. We doing good over here on LFMD though. Ooh, slappage. Slappage. That's a nasty candle. Right. There's 75, 76, 77. Five ain't even flipped on the MACD yet. I don't know if that's good or bad. It's gonna be good if we get that crossover and start cooking. For sure. Got good volume coming in. This is great. OMH, yeah, it did hold it, huh? Yeah. Bought it at 2.8. Nice. Bought 100 shares last week at 28.14. Wow, got out at 40.17. D. That's awesome, man. With 100 shares, yo. I've been watching SoFi over here. Man, it's pretty much in bear mode in my opinion right now. Um, 784. Look at that nice move up. Tapped out for the week. Oh yeah. That's what's up, Brian. When usually I take a quarter off at 2R is my minimum. I'd actually like to wait till 8. I think that's a reasonable number, like 7.97. But OMH, yeah. OMH looking good. Yeah, buddy. That slap and hold, Trey. There it goes. $13 2. 3, you mean 320? Did it tap it already? Nice. It tapped it. Did you get filled? Probably not. Mine, I'm always last. They got to trade through the price for me to get it. Eee. That's how I feel when it goes right up to my target and doesn't fill. I'm like, well, if it comes back up here, it's probably gonna push a little further. So let me move my target up a little bit. I do the same thing. SoFi. Starting to look a little interesting. What you think, Jack? If you bought it though, I know you would have bought it down here at the lows. Like Jack gonna be like, yeah, I'm in SoFi 13.75. T-Lo, I didn't even see you, bro. PLTU getting hit with the broomstick. This looks kind of solid, T-Lo. This is actually a really nice setup. Mm. Yeah, I'm feeling curious about SoFi, man. I like it. I like the 15 too, which makes me like it even more. But I can use this low on the 5. So that would be over 1405. I think that's legitimate. If it breaks this low, though, I'm definitely not interested. Doubt it will go any higher on OMH. Yeah, I was definitely feeling apprehension on it because of that daily, but it did a nice move for sure. I don't know if it would have been quite worth it just yet. If I would have bought this candle, that would have been like 25-cent risk from 280. So I would need 330, which it did do on the penny actually. Dang, I'm about to lose out on this joint. Hmm. If it break 350, you're interested. I think I might be adding on this if it breaks this 5-minute high. That and that. Actually, this is the add spot right there.
Order filled.
Hmm. Well, I can't tell which way this joint about to go. I guess you never can. Jump the gun. Gotta leave that 1 minute chart alone, man. Look like everything's going down now. Came out negative. Yeah, that's what I was assuming, the way the SPY is reacting. Oh, yeah. Sure was. Yo, PLTU over here looking saucy. Yeah, OMH looking good, Leon. You still in PLTU, T-Lo? All right, what's it gonna be? Oh yeah, dang Trey. Yeah, I done missed it now though, Brian. Done missed it now. This definitely was a nice entry, and I definitely hit 2R up there. Did I hit 2R? Yeah, I did. I think. If not, it was damn close. Yeah. Like a rap. Yep, should have stuck with the rules. And then the triple down got 323. That's what's up. Yeah, this ad was hella egregious without any sort of confirmation. Give it one more penny just for. Yeah, that was killer, Leon. I just wish I would have been there just a few minutes earlier to catch this guy right there, man. That was nice.
Order filled.
Golly. I'm okay with that. Well, I mean, I wish I would have been a little more patient, but dang, it's going, bro. Dang, Leon, there you go. Oh man, might jump in so far. Hmm. Yeah, that worked out real nicely, huh? Yeah, I would be too, Leon. Pre-market highs 354. 350 sounds great. Dang, Leon. Oh, snaps. 398. Bruh. Mistrade of the week right here. Ah, man, banger. Banger. Look at that. Over all these highs I was worried about. Just blasted right through them. Mm-mm-mm. Way to go, bro. Uh,
Order filled.
why'd I do that? Oh, mate, just killed it. Yeah, it's all good now. Hella miss, bro. It had just triggered when you said something about it too, man. Just triggered. Gonna do it. It's too late, OG. It's too late. That's funny because I talked myself out of this trade already. But I like these two 5-minute hammers next to each other like that. Yeah, I ain't messing with OMH though. I actually almost bought it right here, but felt extended. I was definitely wrong about that.
Order filled.
Hey, what's going on, Knives? Good morning. It's going well. It's going well. Could have done better with LFMD. I did get. It was a nice trade. It just didn't. I was kind of holding out for $8, and definitely regretting the ad over here without any confirmation. But I think my patience is come along quite well, and yeah, just kind of waiting for my P&L to catch up. How you been, man? That is a good question. I actually liked the intraday price action earlier, and kind of allowed myself to get lured back in. I looked at the daily this morning, and I was kind of iffy about it. Yeah, I was feeling that way too. I looked at the tail from yesterday and kind of felt like it had a decent pullback and might be okay for a move up, but ultimately I decided to scrap it and did not have it on my watch list today, but I ended up pulling it up again and kind of liked the price action. So here I am. Very thoughtful analysis though of this PLTR trade. Just gonna call it. I think we might have something over here on that's what's up, OG. I was close, man. I was close. I'm super disappointed with LFMD, honestly. I think that was a good opportunity to stay out of trade. Um I ignored the red flags on that one. And then not only did I ignore the red flags, but I tripled down on it too. So it's like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. But what I did like about the trade is that I maintained my stop. That's one thing I've been really unhappy about is moving my stop up and getting stopped up on higher lows. Yeah, I was doing that, Knives, but I was getting stopped out a lot on higher lows on the 5. Like I would be on the 1 moving my stop up under the lows on the 1, and then I would get stopped. And then I would look back on the 5 and like, okay, if I'm trading the 5, this thing never made a lower low on the 5. Like it traded fine. Yeah, but I just I wanna keep my line in the sand. Um the original line in the sand, you know. Um and I just need to be disciplined in my ads and truly add on um confirmation, you know. Like on LFMD, I'm good. I like my ad here. This is my support line I had. And I bought here on the 5, but on the 1, it came up, made a higher low. And so I added there. This is confirmation of the move up. And I should have sold up here. But down here, this is, now we're downtrending. So this is a bad ad. There's no, like on the 5, if I would have waited for a high to break and added there, that would have been great because that would have been a high level confirmation on the 5, you know. But I just kind of jumped the gun over there. Yeah, no doubt. But it's like usually I would have days where I'm trading like 5 or 6 stocks, right? And so I'd have, 1 R loss here, 2 R loss here, 1 R here, half a R here, and I'm just spread out my risk. And now I'm just like, okay, if I can be patient and wait for actual good setups, then instead of losing R's everywhere, I'll just add more risk onto one trade, you know? So, and the idea is that I'll only add to the trade as it makes confirmations on the way up. So if it doesn't do that, then I won't add and then I won't increase my risk. So it's definitely another level of discipline required to make sure that that happens. But that's the idea, to add to the winners and to do nothing to the ones that, don't start winning after I get in. I'm so sold on adding. I totally understand where you guys are coming from, but I'm just sold on adding, He's just like Trey was just like, all right, man, so be it. Like I'm not even gonna argue with you about it anymore. You're determined to add, so I'm just kind of there. The book, The Best Loser Wins, was really already liked adding before that book, but once um once I read that book, I was like, oh yeah, I'm definitely an adder. No, Trey. All right. Well, we're definitely trading with the market right now, so I'm kind of just like hoping the market continues to go up. Um, hmm. I don't know if I would say. Yeah. My idea with moving the stop is I don't want to move the stop up until I've taken profit. Like I don't want to get in the way of uh the price action. If it doesn't go to my line in the sand, then I'm staying out the way until I get to my first target. And then as soon as I get to my first target, I'm really wanting to go to break even. What's up, Uncle Paul? No trade day. I was close to one, man. I let myself fall into LFMD and then didn't take profit on it. And then now I'm in PLTU. So we'll see how it goes. It's not looking great right now. Nah, it's looking all right. It's looking all right. Ugh. Yeah, I agree, Knives. I'm kind of trying to do that. That's what I mean as far as more confirmation. Confirmation being like a new higher high, higher low. Nah, nah, nah. I just call him Uncle Paul, Jack. He just unk, he got unk vibes. That's funny. That's super sketchy looking 5 minute candle. Ugh. Ugh. Half of the 15s pulled back. Yeah, this is nasty work too. I think we might just can scrap this one. I kind of want to add right here, actually. I appreciate it, Paul. Look at this, no volume. Man, I think I should have added right there. Yeah, that's a super huge win, man. I see that. When you guys tell me you have no trade days, I'm just like, wow. Like slow clap, man. But I'm feeling closer and closer to it myself. Just I mean, this being my second trade, and I really could have avoided it. Man, I want to add to this trade. I just don't really have room for risk though, so let me chill out. Yeah, I realize each moment, every moment that you come to a that fork in the road where you have the choice to be disciplined or cave in, each one strengthen, like each decision is going to strengthen that side of it, you know what I mean? And so if you can just make that choice to be disciplined, the next time you come to the fork is going to be easier to go that way. And so it's just like if you could just take that first step and then, just start walking down that line. Just like so many days I would come in, man. I wish I would have added there, bro. I was feeling scary. Y'all had me feeling scary about adding. I was about to add right there. Nah, I had some reasons not to though. But that was solid. Hope I get my way, man. Starting to show some relative. The volume's kind of weak though. Volume's hella weak. But back below yesterday's high. See, I feel super inclined to move my stop up right there, but I really don't want to do that until I get a high. We break 48. I'll definitely move my stop to break even, and then I'll be looking for an entry. I mean, looking to take profit. Man, OMH for another one. Hmm. Yeah, OMH look good, man. That's pretty. That's pretty right there. I want to buy that candle right there. I got zero risks though. It's about to be over, y'all. It's over. Dang, man. Spot looking pretty solid though. Uh, oh, look at the 5 now. Bro, it take a long time for these trades to play out trading on the 5, man. This thing frozen or something? Something ain't right.
Order filled.
I feel like my chart is glitching or something. All right, whatever. Looking for that break. Yeah, no doubt, Trey. Just hands off, man. The ideas are pretty solid, man. Just got to keep your hands off. Break even month, though. That's awesome, man. I'd be very grateful. There you go. That ain't break even. Nah, I feel you though. Yeah. Yeah, I like this OMH on the 5, but the entry was here. Hey, we getting to it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't like this price action at all. uh, well, we got our higher high, so I'm definitely tightening up my stop. Yeah, that'll do. It's like the level 2 does a lot of moving around, but the time in sales doesn't. Leon, you still in OMH? I've been up 2R twice today, and I'm down 3.5. Yeah, but I'm liking what the spy is doing. I'm thinking if the spy can go, PLTU will be fine. And the spy just looked like it just made a new high a day. Yup. And there goes PLTU. Let's do it. Oh yeah, there's 48. Spy approaching yesterday's high. There's 48.03. 07. Let's go. What up, George? $50 loss on what? Doing options? A little bit. Appreciate it, Brian. QQQ option. Mondays. LFMD made it back over to 20 EMA. I've been watching it over here on the 5. I just don't really want to be playing down at the bottoms anymore, especially not on these stocks. I don't even know if my stop loss will work on this chart. PLTU ain't even moved today yet. I'm like, man, if this thing can go, could be pretty exciting. Man, I like what I'm seeing. We were trading below the yesterday's high line, and now we're above, testing. We get over pre-market high, man. Look. The ask is up to 48.10. Dang, that's cool. Just options. OMH through the flow. Yeah, it's trading really nice right now, I think. Think we're in a good spot, guys. Yeah, I know. Just want to see that thing stretch its legs, man. That's another two. Yeah, I hear you. I got my order out. Hopefully, it's not too aggressive. Now that would be a tragedy. Yep. Yeah, once it actually moves up and makes a higher high, like we got the low here and then we got a high and a higher low and then we break that high. I'm definitely good with moving my stop up at that point. I just don't want to move my stop to a place where it could pull back and it could be a higher low. I don't want to get stopped up on a higher low. I want to get stopped up on a lower low, which looks like might be coming here pretty quickly. Dang, man. Close to 3R on that one. Just being too greedy today, I guess. Yeah, I got my order at 48.47 for the take profit. Right up under the $half. But now we're back under 48. SoFi. Oh, there's your 350. I mean 1350. Right at yesterday's high, close to yesterday's high. Hmm. I'd like to see one more big volume pop come in to really signify uh, the reversal. But I know. I hear you, OG. Yeah, you did good to do that for sure, Jack. Hmm. You know, I said that to OG Tesla. I took my whole position off of Tesla the other day, saying I can always get back in. Man, that thing went straight up the rest of the day, man. And I literally, there's no reason I would have gotten stopped out of that trade. I just literally got out at the highs at the moment. Yeah, I just, it's tough. It's tough. I definitely don't want to turn a winning trade into a loser. This thing was at 3R. Close is like 2.9. As soon as we break this high, I'll move my stop under this low. And that will be in the money. Not much, but something. Hey, the ask is back over 48. LFMD. Okay. Man, the SPY is falling. PLTU's holding up, though. Yeah. Got some volume flowing in here, Jack. Back over the EMA. Dang, back down to the 70s, huh? Getting rough. I'm gonna hold the line though. I don't know, man. I might have to just close the position just because of time. Yeah, I've been there where I just completely hit it. I probably wouldn't even have it up here if it wasn't for the stream. That's why I changed it to ours though, but it still kind of plays a factor. Really? Does that mean you're not going to be reviewing until the end of the month? Hey man, I like LFMD right now on the 5 and the 15. Over 35. Huh. It's crap. All right. I'm gonna listen to you, Uncle Paul. I'm gonna listen to you. Let's just see how this thing plays out, and then we'll call it a day. Ah, okay. So you just don't want to know day to day what your P&L is. Now this is an ad right here. That was a legitimate ad, just like this was. This is more legitimate though. That one's sketch. Come on, we got a new high on the 5 over yesterday's high. It's time. It's time to go. Big nasty candle. Yeah, that's solid, bro. Let me see some action. A breakout or something. I gotta use a bathroom. Oh yeah, that's probably gonna be the sell off. I gotta use bathroom real quick, y'all. Oh, wait, hold up. I don't want to miss a take profit, but I gotta use bathroom, man. Is this it? Finally, the ask is over 20. I like it too, George. Feeling pretty good. Ah, look at that, Uncle Paul. I know it's still early, but solid price action here on the 15 and the 5. We'll see where it goes. Watch this for later. File that in the playbook. I just know I have a bad habit of trading junk, so not only that, but it's late and I just need to get this trade managed so I can get out here. All right, yeah, I'm going to the bathroom. Just look out for me. Aw, man. Nothing burger. looks terrible. Took Google long. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I think I should have raised up under this low right here. But man, I shouldn't have taken a trade this late in the day. $97. Ooh, I like this pop right here. You said you still in there, Jack? Yeah, if it breaks 97, it's a wrap. But I like this pop right here. Just see if it has any follow through. Mine sure doesn't. Oh yeah. I didn't really quite understand the 2x thing. All right, it's the last hoorah right here, bud. Except no time expiry. Hey, Jack, yo. Yeah, I like that volume pop right there, man. 5 looking good now too. I think you might have done it again, Jack. We'll see though. We'll see. Be looking real good over this high. You get over 159. What's this? 56, 57. Getting a little love over here on PLTU. Yeah, I don't know. It still looks good on the 15 for sure. Right now, anyway. I just wasn't intending for this to be the situation, though. I don't know, Paul. LFMD looked like that was a nice little move there. What would that have been? Risk this candle here, which was would have been about 15 cent over 735. So 736. 30 cent would be 2R. So target would be 67, 66, 67-ish. Still got a little ways to go. This high is 85, so it's possible. Might have been a cool little pop. I ain't mad though. I like this in PLTU a lot. Look at the 5 now. The 15's looking a lot better now. A whole lot better. Low of this candle is 47. My average is 50. 4x. Dang, this mug is a slapper. I synced it. So want to add over here. Why you being so sketchy? Let's see, am I jumping it? No, it's cool. SPY look like it's making a move up. This could be a new leg. Bruh, there's 2R on LFMD. Oh. Oh.
Order filled.
On Google. What's your target? $74 out 25. Just one share. I just bought 5, bro. Um, SoFi. Did you pick up SoFi, Jack? No. It's cooking now. Ah, LFMD. Oh man, the shoulda, coulda, woulda. It was so obvious to me. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, I know. I'm really ready to be done with it. Oh gosh, I'm sick about LFMD. Come on, man. Spy doing good. Let's go. Just man, totally held hostage here. Google 68. Nah. It's below this low. 15 cent below break even. This literally could do this all day. Like it's just gonna be a super narrow range inside consolidation day. Taking early profit to 68. 84. OMH. You see OMH over here holding 3 track? Oh yeah. I would think they would be affected by the tariffs a lot. They're having a good day though. Yeah, it's true. Bruh. 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 Yeah, I'm looking at it over there too. This was my entry candle. It's 3R right there. 3R trade. Come on, PLTR. You got the potential to do great things. Great things. Your time is now. Yeah, I ain't mad at you. Keep showing some strength. I like it. I don't know. Yeah, I feel that. Every time I feel like I'm gonna take a break, I'm like I got beat up the whole bull bear market, and I'm gonna take a break, and it's gonna flip right to the bull market as soon as I take a break. Man, for real though, that's whack, man. I played myself several times on this trade. I could at least sold at pre-market high. I don't know what I was thinking about, man.
Order filled.
What I was thinking about. Okay. Well, trades weren't terrible today. I'm just maintaining my stop, man. That's what I've committed to, so that's what I did. But yeah, definitely had this double top here could have been a nice exit at pre-market high. I just can't believe I didn't take anything off at pre-market high. I should have took some off here, and then I should have took more off there, and then stopped out break even maybe at the least. But I mean, I like my executions as far as my buys. I forgot the sell part. I just got greedy, man. I got greedy. How I was red on LFMD and wanted to make a significant amount back, so I was trying to hold the sale. But it'd be like that sometimes. Yeah, this chart was terrible. I really don't like yeah. I was tunnel vision at that point though. But not a bad day. Max loss is bad, but other than that, I'm feeling the growth. Traded the P&L for sure. Yeah, no doubt. Definitely did that. But yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty excited right now. We'll see what tomorrow holds. Anyway, man, y'all be safe out here in this crazy market. Yeah, for sure. And appreciate y'all hanging out, man. Hit that like button for me if you could. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. I'll holler at y'all tomorrow, man. Peace.